E ai ki te Pūkenga Here Tikanga Mahi, ko te maherea Nicola Willis, he whakawe he tāngata, he kūware hoki. Ko tā rātau ko ngā kākare ki whakatūpato, kua rite rātau ki te rangatūwake ki te mana e ngā mahere whakakore i ngā moni pūtea reo Māori. Kei Jess Tyson tēnei pūrongo.
Ko te Pūkenga Here Tikanga Mahi e mea ana, ka māro tana kaupare i ngā tuma a te kāwanatanga hou ki te reo.
Yeah, we're incredibly disappointed that one of the first public comments from the new Minister for the Public Service should be an attack on these allowances, which are deeply embedded in the public service, and we're asking how that is a priority, really.
Hei tā puru, kauri anō te kāwanatanga kia whakawhiti kōrero ki te Pūkenga e pāna ki te mahere whakakore i ngā utu taunaki i ngā kaimahi kōrero Māori.
It sends a message that actually the value of our reo, the value of our tikanga, our processes, is not recognised by this new government already in its new tenure, and we're asking them to actually take heed and learn from what's happened in the past and the great work that has already been done and established in recognising and honouring te rite o Waitangi.
Engari, ko te āhua nei, kaore te kāwanatanga mo te paku māharahara.
And what would your point be?
What about the...
As someone who was there at the start of Kongareo, and every other Māori language nest there has been in help on the way through, we're all for it, but not for what you're seeing now.
These bonuses were expressly for people who weren't using te reo Māori in their job. They were getting money for learning it for other reasons. And I don't think, given the fiscal situation, given the challenges with public services, with pay rounds coming for nurses, shortages of GPs, that we can afford to be spending money on things like that.
I think this move to pay te reo Māori speakers less within the public service, knowing that there's already a pay gap between Māori and Pacific people and their counterparts in the public service, is a real shame, and it is just virtue signalling. It's virtue signalling to the racist people that voted for them.
Ko te rōpū kākāriki kei te tautoko i te tūanga mema e iwa te kaumano o te Pūkenga Here Tikanga Mahi. Kei te rite hoki rātou ki te taki tū mai.
If this government attempts to roll back the progress that we've made in advancing te rite o Waitangi, if they seek to reinterpret or apply their own interpretation to te rite, or to try and censor and eradicate te reo Māori, that we will be, both inside and outside of this house, holding them to account and stopping them from doing that.
There's disappointment, there's angriness from our members, they're disappointed, but it's not surprising. But they're really ready to rally together and do what's necessary.
Ka mutu hiahia atu anō he kaupapa reo Māori kei te kio o te pū o tēnei kāwanatanga. Jess Tyson, Te Ao Mārama.